Hello everyone, today I'm going to review this Daiso polymer clay, and this is a new packaging they have, available in 12 colors, but I got these 6 other colors, include some pastel colors also. It's quite difficult to find complete colors because I got these 6 colors in 3 different Daiso stores. So I'm gonna review this white color. It said made in Japan. This one pack it's for 30 grams, and it said the polymer clay is transparent and permeable. When dry, it resists folding and bending and is water resistant. So we're gonna prove it. I'm gonna cut this. So it feels like similar to resin clay. It's very smooth. So I'm gonna open the whole packaging. It's quite small with this one pack. I bought this for $2, but it's also nice. I split it up into 3 bowls, and this big bowl I'm gonna store it. I'm gonna wrap it with wet tissue so that I can use it for next time and for a long time, like this. So we're gonna color this first with the color Daiso, this one, the yellow ochre, and we're gonna combine this. It can be combined with color Daiso polymer clay and looks like this. Now we're gonna color this with soft pastel. It will be look like this. Now we're gonna color this one with acrylic. Same color also, this yellow ochre. It will be look like this. And now we're gonna take this mold to make a little bread. Also really easy to cut. And now we're gonna look this shape. Oh wow, it holds the shape really well. Same like the mold. It's so nice. And it's also easy to texture. And now this is the last. I'm gonna make it like a real loop bread. So it will look like this, and we're gonna leave it to dry for 1 to 2 days. And I have this finished samples. It dries quite translucent, not really that transparent, and it's really hard, resists folding and bending, so you cannot bend. It's really hard. I want to put an eye pin to make an accessory before it dries. I'm gonna make this a charm. So this bread's already fully dried. I'm gonna check. Yeah, it's hard. The color gets a bit darker. So now I'm gonna test if it's truly water resistant or not. And this is a water spray. It's still hard, it's still okay. And sure, this is really true. It's really water resistant, but it's not waterproof. So you can't put this into a glass of water because it's only water resistant. Okay, that's my review about Daiso polymer clay. Hopefully this review is really informative for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.